In this heart-pounding Ring doorbell footage, a man steps out of a car with a mission in mind. With swift determination, he gains unauthorized access to someone's property, seizing a valuable item in a matter of moments. As if on cue, he sprints back to the waiting car, his actions executed with the precision of a heist movie. In this eye-opening Ring doorbell footage, a man is caught in the act as he approaches someone's porch. With a purposeful stride, he reaches for the letterbox and retrieves a document, his actions swift and deliberate. In this adrenaline-fueled Ring doorbell footage, two masked figures make a dramatic entrance into someone's yard. With a mix of determination and haste, they boldly snatch a cooler filled with refreshing drinks, their actions swift and efficient. In this gripping Ring doorbell footage, darkness provides cover for two figures as they approach someone's house under the cloak of night. With calculated precision, one of them forcefully kicks the door, shattering any sense of security. Little do they know, the homeowner is present.
Huh?
Oh. What the fuck is happening? Somebody keep their door. Somebody has to keep their door.
In this heart-stopping Ring doorbell footage, a man steps out of his house to call his dog inside. However, in a sudden turn of events, the tranquility of the moment is shattered by the sound of a gunshot ringing out dangerously close in the neighborhood.
Bruno, get over here, Bruno. Bruno, get over here. Bruno. Bruno, get over here. Get inside.
In this nail-biting Ring doorbell footage, two women raise suspicion as they stand in front of someone's door. Their facial expressions tell a story of hidden intentions as they peer around, clearly up to no good.
Yes, I see where you at. By the way, I do talk. Walking around your house.
In this astonishing Ring doorbell footage, a man is caught on someone's porch, his intentions veiled in mystery. As he surveys his surroundings, he stumbles upon a camera capturing his every move. In a daring move, he decides to take the camera with him as he makes a hasty exit. In this intense Ring doorbell footage, a man is caught in the act as he stands in front of someone's door, his intentions chillingly clear. With determination etched on his face, he makes a brazen attempt to break into the property. In this intriguing Ring doorbell footage, a lady is captured as she approaches someone's front door with a purpose. With measured steps, she bends down to pick up an item left outside. In this gripping nighttime footage, a man is spotted in front of a house door, his intentions shrouded in darkness. With a determined gaze, he searches for a way to gain entry, but his efforts are met with failure. Eventually, he leaves, his mission unaccomplished. In this intriguing Ring doorbell footage, a lady is captured in front of someone's door, her actions revealing a mix of curiosity and intent. With a contemplative pause, she decides to pick up the items left outside the house. In this gripping Ring doorbell clip, a lady is caught in a heated exchange with a neighbor, her emotions running high. With a voice that pierces the air, she addresses an issue with fervor, her face etched with anger and frustration.
You are inconsistent with putting out the garbage! So that's why we are leaving it out there! You are not consistent! You say you'll do it, and then you don't do it the other Wednesday! And then it doesn't get taken out! That's why it's being left on the side of the road like every other person's is! Every other person's is on the side of the road! So if it was illegal, honey, if it was illegal, someone would have fucking done it! Someone would have fucking said something!
In this suspenseful Ring doorbell footage, a lady stands in front of someone's door with an air of suspicion. Her demeanor hints at hidden intentions, leaving us questioning her motives.
Hello, little boy.
In this heart-pounding Ring doorbell footage, a man is caught in the act as he relentlessly tries to break into a house. With a flurry of forceful kicks, pushes, and various attempts, he's determined to gain entry. In this heart-racing nighttime Ring doorbell footage, a man is caught in the midst of a daring endeavor as he struggles to break into a house. The darkness provides cover for his determined efforts. In this heart-pounding Ring doorbell footage, a man is captured making a daring escape from inside a house. As he descends a ladder, his actions reveal a mix of urgency and determination. In this surprising Ring doorbell footage, a lady is caught on someone's porch, engaged in a curious act. With a snap of her camera, she captures an item that she's supposed to deliver. However, before anyone can react, she swiftly grabs the item and makes a hasty getaway. In this mysterious nighttime Ring doorbell footage, a man is captured as he surveys someone's premises. The cover of darkness adds an air of intrigue to his actions, leaving us to wonder about his intentions. In this captivating Ring doorbell footage, a man is spotted removing items from in front of someone's home. As the situation unfolds, the homeowner steps in, initiating a conversation with the man. During their interaction, the man explains that he has the wrong address, adding a layer of intrigue to the encounter.
Hey, who is you in my garbage?
My fault. My fault.
Who is you? Sean? Come on over to the
No, I had the wrong address. I had the wrong address, ma'am.
Oh, okay.
I had the wrong address. My fault, baby.
All right.
In this captivating Ring doorbell footage, a man is observed outside someone's home, his actions hinting at a quest for a valuable item. With focused determination, he appears to be rummaging in search of something costly. In this distressing Ring doorbell footage, a homeowner finds themselves under a harrowing attack right on their own porch. A masked assailant confronts them, and amidst the terror, the homeowner pleads for their life.
Sorry, I got nothing. Sorry. No, I got nothing. Sorry.
As we approach the end of this video, I just wanted to say, if you've enjoyed the thrills and chills, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more hair-raising content. Remember to leave a comment, share with your friends, and hit that like button to help spread the fear.